The subject of today's video is my list of 10 of the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Imagine that all you needed to make money online was a website. You don't have to create your own products or offer a service. Sound good? Then welcome to affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product or service by advertising their product or service in return for a commission on the sales you generate. Commissions are typically a percentage of the sale price, but occasionally can be a fixed amount. The best affiliate programs have recurring back-end commissions that can keep paying you month after month. Number 1 on the top 10 list is Amazon Associates. While you may be just getting started, chances are you probably heard of the Amazon Associates program if you've done any research on affiliate programs for beginners. The Amazon affiliate program is a flagship when it comes to making money through its monetization method. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of tutorials and courses on utilizing this network to make a comfortable living. Based on its popularity, it's no surprise that the program made it to the top of our list. However, there are some things you need to consider with this program. The fact that this affiliate program is the largest and oldest in the world says a lot, because Amazon has built such a well-known program for affiliates. You can be assured that you have a great foundation to start with. The ease with this program is also worth noting, because it is one of the easiest programs to navigate and implement into an existing business. It is perfect for those looking to get moving right away. No matter which niche you happen to be interested in, the diversity of products through the Amazon program can't be beaten. With tons of variety in products, the Amazon affiliate program is definitely a top contender for beginners. And you have the option to change links to higher paying offers once you start to rank. Now, one negative about this program, other than in certain commission updates, is that Amazon has strict terms of service policy that you must follow. Search around Amazon affiliate reviews and you will see cases of affiliates being flagged for unknown reasons for a breach of terms of service. These issues can usually be resolved with a bit of effort, but it is worth mentioning and something to keep in mind as an added nuance to the program. Number 2 on the list is CJ, Commission Junction. Commission Junction is a huge affiliate network that works with companies and promotes products all over the globe. With over 20 years of experience in doing business within its affiliate space, it has a record of being an excellent option for those first setting out. This affiliate program is really great if you are just starting, and it has been around for some time and provides a stable foundation to start on. With tons of brands and companies to connect with, and you can start marketing products within your niche. You definitely need to consider this network if it fits your business goals. Every brand and company within the CJ network, affiliate network, has different and very specific requirements to be accepted into their program's offer. In contrast to Amazon's program, with CJ, you don't have free reign to promote all the products you wish to promote without prior approval. You have to get prior approval. Some merchant brands and companies may grant instant access, while others will take weeks or months to respond. This can be very frustrating when you first start out, as you may have already invested a good amount of sweat equity just getting your content up to relative niche standards. Number 3 on my list for affiliate marketing programs for beginners is Impact. 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 Leading the way in dashboard functionality and user interface UI. Impact is another great affiliate program to consider when first starting out in affiliate marketing. With an intuitive interface that offers detailed performance tracking and reporting, This program is excellent for those wanting more performance metrics to help gear their business decisions. With over 1,000 brands found in its large array of niches, this affiliate program will definitely have something that suits your desired market. Known for offering one of the best UIs and reporting dashboards, it is no wonder why so many affiliates speak very highly of this program. Impact customer service is also great for both beginners and seasoned affiliates because of the support it provides to each person within its program. Helpful information and detailed how-to articles accompany your support request, making you feel like the program actually cares about your success. As mentioned above, the Impact affiliate program is not as user-friendly to join as other options we have covered so far. This can be both good and bad depending on how you look at it. Because many brands will choose to accept you into their program sooner based on the added requirements that apply, you may find this beneficial depending on your longer-term goals. The learning curve to pick up this program is also something that many have complained about based on the added functionality within the dashboard. Number 4 on my list. Number 4 is Awin. That's A as in apple, win. Awin is your standard online marketplace similar to Amazon and Etsy, with over 13,000 advertisers currently active within its affiliate network. The products and services that this program covers are spread across 4 different categories. Category 1, finance and insurance. These are your traditional loans, personal banking, property, savings and investments, credit card, and insurance company offers. 2, retail and shopping. This includes clothing, accessories, electronics, and so on. 4, telecommunications and services. This category includes offers related to education, training, web hosting services, and so on. And 4, travel. Everything from cruises to holidays, trains, hotels, and accommodations, car rentals, airlines, and general tourism. Awin offers several digital products and services covering multiple niches, meaning that an affiliate can choose from the categories above to promote. One reason that Awin is a good choice for beginners is the fact that it has over 15,000 active advertisers to choose from and over 200,000 publishers currently within its network. For someone just starting out, this means plenty of offers and products to choose from, and with over $150 million in sales generated since 2019, there is certainly money to be made through this program. The first potential downside for Awin that comes to mind for this affiliate program is its age. It is a younger network, though it was created from a merger of 2 older affiliate networks. Some may consider this to be less stable and therefore not have the best infrastructure to build your entire business on. Again, be sure to diversify when you can. Don't depend on one affiliate program. Number 5 on the list is Flex Offers. F-L-E-X Offers. Flex Offers is an affiliate network that has over 12,000 affiliate programs and over 500 advertisers. Its affiliate program categories range from automotive to business, education, entertainment, legal services, sports, travel, and so many others. Its new publisher platform has received many great reviews, and the affiliate program itself may be one of the largest in its space. With such a vast network of merchants to choose from, this is an excellent program for any niche, no matter which type of affiliate content you plan on providing. Flex Offers works a little differently compared to other programs we have already discussed. Flex Offers claims to add 50 new advertiser programs daily, meaning if something doesn't fit your desired niche today, something may soon show up in the days ahead. This is a great opportunity for those first starting out, as you may want to have some new offers to add to your business model right from the beginning. Flex Offers has a great flow of available offers, as we discussed above, but one drawback is the difficulty some affiliates have in getting paid out. We have seen quite a few reviews about affiliates not being paid on time for one reason or another. Keep this in mind. Should you have any capital invested and are counting on this incoming revenue from Flex Offers to make further improvements to your business. Number 6 on the list is Viglink, VIG Link, also known as Sovrn, S-O-V-R-N, S-O-V as in victory, R-N. Viglink, also known as Sovrn, is an affiliate program that has taken a new approach to traditional affiliate marketing tools. Sovrn acquired Viglink to expand its publisher monetization platform, which was founded in 2009 to help publishers monetize their content by automatically inserting affiliate links. One of the great features that this affiliate program offers in automation is that you don't have to worry about manually generating, tracking, and organizing any of your affiliate links. Instead, you add the Viglink code to your website's header or footer, and the Viglink automation will do all this for you. We discussed how the automatic link tools provided by Viglink could be a great help to speed up your ship-off date into the waters of affiliate marketing. But this also can be a negative feature as well. Depending on how these links are placed on your website or within your content, it may end up leading to lower conversions than if you had placed a different product than that which was automatically chosen for you by Viglink's AI. Number 7 on the list of the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners is Skimlinks. That's skim as in like skim milk and links. Skimlinks. Similar to Viglink and Sovrn, Skimlinks has also implemented an automatic link creation tool for its affiliates to utilize by simply adding a bit of code to your website. One way that Skimlinks is different is that the platform turns regular links from over 20,000 online merchants into affiliate links without any effort required on your end. One huge benefit similar to Viglink is the fact that you won't have to manually create or track affiliate links on your own, which means you can focus on more important things. This platform also provides huge potential for those looking to monetize user-generated content like forums and communities hosted by your website. The Skimlinks affiliate program is huge, with over 24,000 active merchants currently providing offers to affiliates. With such a wide variety of niches, you will surely find the perfect product for your affiliate site's content. Now, for some, the automatic link generator might be more of a burden than a benefit, and as with any other programs we've already covered, another downside to this network is that some affiliates have complained about not receiving their payments on time. Number 8 on the list is Clickbank. Clickbank is another affiliate network giant, has been around for more than 20 years and has grown to more than 6 million clients worldwide. It offers some of the highest commission rates for its affiliates, some offers up to 75%, and makes it easy to join. What makes Clickbank one of the best affiliate programs for those still new to this space is that you don't need prior approval by a merchant to start promoting its offer. Some merchants may require specific things before approval, but this is very rare. Many offers on this network feature recurring commissions for those looking to build an automatic system to gain conversions and ultimately revenue. Clickbank is one of the top choices for beginners first setting out into affiliate marketing waters. But if you choose this network, there is also a few things to keep in mind. The biggest drawback to Clickbank is that it has become so popular over the years, and the competition for these products is fierce. With high approval rates and little vetting done on the Clickbank side in terms of quality control, it may feel like the most obvious money-making products might already be oversaturated with other affiliates. Another downside is that return rates for this network are much higher than some of the other programs on this list. Number 9 on my list of the top 10 is Aweber. That's A and then Weber, like Weber Grill. Aweber has been the email autoresponder of choice for over 1 million businesses and entrepreneurs since 1998. In addition, it's an excellent tool for newsletter and email drip campaigns. Affiliates, or as they are now called, they call them now advocates of Aweber, can earn substantial income. Their in-house program offers a lifetime 30% commission. Plans typically range, monthly plans for subscribers typically range from $20 to $150 a month. So the monthly payout can really add up for you. The sign up is free and the sales tools are test proven and cover all the bases. And finally, number 10 on my best 10 affiliate marketing programs for beginners is Ace Hardware. Ace's Hardware. That's right. One of the most important or prominent names in the U.S. for tools and home improvement, also has its own affiliate program and is an excellent option for those looking to set out promoting content related to this market of home goods. The affiliate program is impressive for the wide range of products you may choose from, and for the trust you gain automatically from traffic having a quality brand name like Ace Hardware. Most will have heard of Ace Hardware in this space. The Ace Hardware affiliate program includes many useful tools for those just getting started in affiliate marketing and offers some great incentives not found in other programs. Offering a huge variety of quality products to choose from, the Ace Hardware program has thousands of options in the home improvement market. If you are accepted, Ace Hardware sends you all the necessary tools you need to add to your content, making the setup process quick and easy. Daily reports on impressions, click-throughs, conversion rates, high-performing products, and commission reports are clearly displayed on your dashboard and easy to understand. The biggest anchor weighing down this Ace Hardware program is that you need to be in the home improvement niche for this program to make you any serious money. Based on this limitation, the Ace Hardware program will not suit everybody's needs. With plenty of affiliate programs to choose from, and now having a better idea of how our top choices all compare, the next best step is to sign up for one or more of the programs I just detailed in the list. Now, I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training program, and this is the first step you should take as an affiliate marketer. And my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business, and he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels 2 Common $1 Million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training course is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Like I said, when you're getting started in affiliate marketing, it's best to get training, especially from somebody like Anthony Morrison. He can teach you a lot of the tricks of the trade, save you a lot of time and headaches, and it's well worth it. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued online success.